Hey everyone, welcome back to another video with A.M.K Media. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you, making money online with affiliate marketing. If you've ever wondered how to turn your passion into profit, this video is for you. We're going to walk you through the entire process, step by step. So, grab a notepad and pen, and let's get started. First things first, let's understand what affiliate marketing is. In a nutshell, it's a performance-based marketing strategy where you promote products or services from other companies. And in return, you earn a commission for each sale or action generated through your unique affiliate link. Step 1. Choosing your niche. Research your interests and passions. Select a niche with products or services you genuinely believe in. Consider the market demand and competition. Step 2. Finding affiliate programs. Search for affiliate programs in your chosen niche. Consider popular affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Review program terms, commission rates, and payment methods. Step 3. Building your platform. Create a blog, website, or YouTube channel around your chosen niche. Provide valuable content that solves problems or addresses needs within your niche. Make sure your platform is user-friendly and visually appealing. Step 4. Creating high-quality content. Produce informative and engaging content. Use SEO techniques to improve your content's visibility. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within your content. Step 5. Promoting your affiliate products. Use various marketing channels like social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. Focus on building an engaged audience. Track and analyze your marketing efforts to optimize results. Step 6. Building trust. Be transparent about your affiliate partnerships. Provide honest and unbiased product reviews. Build trust with your audience by consistently delivering value. Step 7. Scaling your affiliate marketing business. As your audience grows, consider expanding into other related niches. Test different affiliate programs to find the most profitable ones. Automate and delegate tasks to save time and grow further. Step 8. Tracking and analyzing performance. Use analytics tools to monitor your website or channel's performance. Evaluate which products and strategies are generating the most income. Adjust your approach based on data and insights. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth guides on making money online, digital marketing, and entrepreneurship. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with affiliate marketing, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay motivated, keep learning, and until next time, happy affiliate marketing!